If you want to go live on Instagram with someone in 2026 and actually do it the right way, this is exactly what you need. Because going live with another person is one of the fastest ways to grow your audience, increase engagement, and build real connections. But a lot of people either don't see the option or don't know how to use it properly. So in this complete guide, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram with someone step by step, plus updated tips that actually work in 2026. Let's get into it. First, what does going live with someone mean? On Instagram, this feature is often called live rooms or multi-guest live. It allows you to start a live stream, invite another person, or even add multiple guests. So instead of going live alone, you turn it into a conversation, interview, or collaboration. Now, before we start, let's go over the requirements. To go live on Instagram, you need an active account, no recent violations, the latest version of the app in most cases. You don't need a minimum follower count, but your account must be in good standing. Now let's go step by step. First step. Open Instagram and access the camera swipe right from your home screen, or tap the plus icon, then select Live if you don't see it. Update the app or check your account status. Now, second step. Set up your live before you start. Add a title, optional but recommended. Choose your audience if needed. Having a clear title helps more people join. Now, third step. Start your live, tap Go Live. Wait a few seconds. And now you're live. Now, fourth step. Invite someone to join once you're live. Tap the icon with two people, usually at the bottom. Now you'll see a list of viewers or the option to search for someone, select the person you want, and send the invite. Now, fifth step. They accept the invitation. Once they accept, they appear on your screen. Your live becomes a split screen. Now you're officially live together. Now, sixth step. Manage your live during the live. You can remove guests, add new ones, respond to comments, pin messages. You can even rotate guests to keep things interesting. Now let's talk about something important. What if you can't invite someone? Common reasons: their app is outdated, they have connection issues, their account has restrictions, so make sure both sides have updated. Apps have stable internet, have no account issues now. Let's talk strategy, because this is where growth really happens. First, go live with the right people. Choose someone in your niche with a similar or complementary audience. Second, plan your live. Don't just go live randomly. Have a clear idea. Q&A, interview, discussion, tutorial. Third, engage with your audience, ask questions, read comments. The more interaction, the more Instagram pushes your live. Now, mistakes to avoid. Don't have bad audio or lighting. Stay silent too long. Ignore viewers because people will leave fast. Now here's a pro tip. Promote your live before starting. Post a story or video saying when you're going live who you'll be with. This increases your viewers instantly. Now let's quickly recap. To go live on Instagram with someone in 2026, open Instagram and go to live. Start your live stream, tap the invite icon. Select your guest, they accept and join. And that's it. Simple, but very powerful. If this helped you, let me know. Who would you go live with first?